Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to use Notebooklm, which is Google's new AI tool. First of all, you have to search Notebooklm on Google search engine. On the top of the link, you will see a new page. You have to click on the top search result. A new page will open, which will introduce you that Think Smarter, Not Harder. It is a new product from Google. So you have to click on Try Notebooklm. So a new page will open. Now you have to click on Create. Now this is our dashboard. So we have sources. First of all, we have 4 sources. The first source is that we can upload files from our computer or from our file manager. The second is Google Drive. We can also add sources from Google Drive. We can also add a link to a website, and you can also paste raw text. But I will just close the option to show you how the dashboard looks like. So this is our main dashboard. We have our chat here. We have our sources tab here. Now, if I click on the plus icon on the sources, it will again open that page. So I will upload some sources. For example, I will upload some multiple PDF files. Now I've added 4 different kinds of PDF files which have different informations, each of them. You can upload as many as you want. You can just click on the add source button and keep on adding or uploading, or from your Google Drive, from your link, or you can just paste raw text, which I've already told you. So once you're done, you can type. For example, I will type, give me the key points. Let's see what it does. Now it has given me the key points from all of the sources which I have given. So the amazing thing about this new tool is that this is using Gemini on the search, and by using Gemini it is giving me the results. And the best thing about Notebooklm is that it will only read the sources which you have added. So which means it is not crawling on the open web. It is only searching for, if you ask anything, it will only search from the sources that you have given. So there is no chance of mistake. This is the best part, and it is also giving me some options that what can I do? For example, what are 3 common problems experienced by Instagram users? It is just creating questions from the sources which I have just posted. You can do multiple stuffs, because in my future videos I'm going to show you, by diving deep into this new software, that what we can do with Notebooklm. So this was our introduction to Notebooklm. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.